Okay, this is a quick little video to show how to set the timing on a 550 jet ski, which has a Type 2 reed motor, PJS. It's a full-blown mod motor. It's got a total loss KV ignition, and the standard timing that we're going to run is 28 degrees, which is pretty standard for the 550. We're going to run this motor. This is an old race motor back in the days, and we used to run it a little more timing in it, but we ran fuel in it. So with pump gas, we're just going to be safe, and we're going to run it at 28 degrees. The first thing you want to do is you want to establish where the spark is on the total loss by turning on the ignition and rotating the flywheel. You'll hear the spark, you'll see the spark, and as soon as you do that, you want to take this dial indicator, which is a 1 through 5 millimeters dial indicator, and you want to establish right where that spark starts. So by doing that, we're going to turn the ignition on. And what I like to do is I always like to back it off a little bit and then put at least 0.2 millimeters in the gauge so you can exactly find out where the spark occurs. So you're going to see that when I'm bringing this around, as soon as it hits 0, it sparks. So that tells me that's exactly when the motor's going to spark before top dead center. So what we want to do is we want to count the revolutions to top dead center, and that will tell us where this timing is. So with it zeroed out right there, I'm going to count. On this one, I want to put it 4.4 millimeters is 28 degrees. That's where we want to be. So we're at 0 here. That's where it sparks. Do that again. Right there. Boom. You can hear the spark. It's zeroed out. If you need it zeroed out, you turn the gauge, but that's where it's set right now. So I want to verify that it is 4.4 millimeters before top dead center. So if I keep rotating the motor and I count down 1, 2, 3, 4 millimeters, and I want 40.40. So 0.40 should be top dead center, which is right there. It's actually 4.2 a little bit, but that's close enough. So that's my top dead center. Now if I wanted to change this, I would have to back everything up, turn the stator plate, either a 0.5 millimeter advance or a half a millimeter retard, and then dial it back again, and it would tell me where I'm at. So if I wanted to go to, let's say, 5.0 millimeters, so what I'd do is I would advance it a 0.5 millimeter and then check it, and then what I'd want to do is have 5 counts on this, which would be 5 millimeters before top dead center. So if you back this up again, you bring it up to your firing point, which is right 0, right there. You can hear it. And then you count down again. 1, 2, 3, 4.4 would be top dead center. Right there's a lid. It's 0.2, close enough. So that's how you do a basic total loss ignition for 28 degrees. If you want to change it, you can, but for this motor, we're going to run pump gas. It's not racing anymore. Used to race a long time ago, and we're just going to use it for recreational. So that's a safe timing right there. That should do it. There's other ways to do it, degree wheels, but this is the easiest way to do it. So that should do it.